Hi, good afternoon. Can you introduce about yourself?
Hi sir, good evening. My name is Prem Pariyar, 30 years old, from Nepal. 4 members in my family. 12 passed my education.
Okay, Mr. Prem Pariyar. Are you married?
Yes sir, I'm married.
Are you physically fit?
Yes sir, I'm physically
Are you ready
fit.
to work hard?
Yes sir.
Okay. Do you have any work experience?
Yes sir, I have worked 4 years work experience as a dishwasher
Okay.
at Kantipur Mahal.
Okay, so now you can work as a dishwasher in Romania?
Yes sir.
Okay, can you work in any weather climate inside or outside there?
Yes sir.
Can you lift the weight up to 25-30 kg?
Yes sir.
Can you work long hours duty, maybe 10 to 12 hours when required?
Yes sir.
Okay, would you like to stay there for a long time?
Yes sir.
Okay, do you have any medical or health problem?
No sir, I don't have.
Do you have any friends or relatives staying in Romania?
Nobody in my.
Okay, so you are ready for any hard work, any challenge, right?
Yes sir.
Okay, also note your company or sponsor, they will hold your 1 month salary as a security guarantee amount until your contract agreement. Is that okay for you?
Yes sir. No.
Once you finish the contract agreement with the company or sponsor, they will release your amount with additional 1 month salary with your pending amount. Is that okay for you?
Yes sir, okay.
Okay. Also, you must need to complete 2 year contract agreement with the company, your sponsor. Can you do that?
Yes, I can.
You will complete the 2 year contract agreement for sure?
Sure, sir.
Okay, so now can you show me your dishwashing cleaning work?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
No
let's start.